Editing embroidery designs. In the editing mode, you can edit and combine patterns to create original embroidery designs. Press the editing mode key. Press the hoop selection key and the hoop selection window will open. Select the desired hoop. You can browse the pattern list by design category or hoop size. The editing window displays the pattern you selected. To change the size of the design, press the resize key and the resize window opens. Press the plus or minus key to change the design size. Press the OK key. Press the layout keys to move the design in the editing window, or drag the design to the desired position. To make a copy of the design, press the duplicate key. When you need to delete a design, select the design and press the delete key. Press the rotate key to open the rotation option window. Press keys to rotate the design clockwise or counterclockwise. Press the OK key. To flip the design, press the vertical mirror key or horizontal mirror key. Press the monogram key. Select the font. Press the letter or number key to enter the desired character. Press the lettercase key when entering a lowercase letter. Press the OK key. You can make a monogram in an upper or lower arc. Press the R key. Press the lower R key to make a lower arc. Press the enlarge key to make the arc longer. Press the OK key. You can simulate the colors of the threads and actual fabric on the screen. Press the custom color key. Select the desired color for the lettering. Press the OK key. Press the OK key. Be sure to provide sufficient space around the machine and press OK key.